Good morning and happy Friday, you guys. My eye is still swollen, as you can tell. I was hesitant to even come on camera, but I'm at the point in the week where there's a bit of a lull. I have 3 amps remaining to clear out. I have some coming in next week, but the shipment of parts is what's holding me up right now. So now I have a bit of a gap and a little bit of breathing room. Might as well clean up the shop, do some chores around the house, and then I just thought I would send you guys a quick note to express some of my deepest appreciation. You guys have helped create an atmosphere on the channel that I used to go and look for. I would hunt that out, where there was a bit of camaraderie, there was an exchange of information and ideas, there was learning. These are things that I would go to, the Telecaster discussion page for, or even the gear page before it became so cynical. But now it's here, and I have access to it. It's very interactive, and I really appreciate what's become of the channel. Again, it's a repository for customer updates, but I just spice it up a little bit because frankly, I'm enjoying some of the creative license I'm getting out of it. I'm not performing anymore. I'm not producing or engineering anymore, so it gives me a creative outlet, and I kind of need that. I think we all do in some form or another, but completely appreciative of all the things you guys have given me. I'm overflowing with gratitude is what I'm trying to say. So I don't want to get all romantic about it, but thank you so much. I am having trouble closing the loop on some of the videos, again, due to the nature of the channel being primarily driven by customer updates. YouTube is free storage and hosting for video updates. I can't just send someone a 19-minute update through my iPhone. So closing the loop on things like, and leaving you guys hanging on things like that 115 Music Man. What happened to that thing, you might ask? Well, it was a footnote, but something I didn't broadcast. The output transformer, rather, is completely roasted. The customer is putting the kibosh on the restoration, and it's going on a back burner for now. So, and in my mind, I have a ton of transformers on hand. Thanks, Dave. I was thinking of maybe converting it into maybe a 50 watt or 40 watt amp, where there's no high or low power switch. It would change what it is fundamentally. So it's something that I never put much thought into, but it's in the back of my mind, and it would make it useful, and interesting even. So, happy Friday, you guys. Enjoy your families, enjoy your friends. You have beef out there with your mom or dad or siblings, whatever. Just be the bigger person, get out there, fix it. Life is super short. So just enjoy things, take some chances, take some calculated risks. Don't just go out there with reckless abandon and do whatever you want and get yourself hurt. But if fear is holding you back from something that might be good for you, just go do it. Hopefully I'll have another video that's amp related today, but I just wanted to express my sincerest appreciation for you guys. Thanks.